Really excited for this video. We're gonna do a few unboxings. So I just got my haul in today. After all the crisis that have been going on in China, there was a huge lockdown because of the coronavirus. So hopefully they're doing okay. But even though it's only 4 kilograms here, it had to go through 5 custom checks or 5 security clearances. So, but I managed to I was able to receive them just in time. So just to share with you guys, the links will be down below in the Google Drive. So check that out if you want to see if you want to copy similar things that I copied today. Let's start to pull this off. There's a few things. So this all alone was particularly for winter because of the late delays. I wasn't able to get it. Okay, so this is actually the reflective LV jacket. If I could find out how to open it. As you can see, ooh, it's actually a puffer, like a windbreaker. In a later video, I'll do a little try on and explain the fit with the matching designs. So this, because it was snow season, I'm really trying to get into snowboarding. I actually bought the pair of the Dior goggles. See here, comes with a bag, a Dior box. So let's see this, man. Let me know if you actually copped a pair of these, because I've seen a lot of people. I've seen a lot of people were really skeptical about buying these, but these look not bad. As you can see, it has Dior print on the top. These look cool. Yeah, I'm definitely gonna wear these, dude. I have a whole outfit. If you ever go snowboarding, let me know down below in the comments. How was your first experience? Because I know I just know I'm just gonna eat like shit. But anyways, back to the next item. But yeah, I'm always curious because about the FeiJiJinGang. Ooh, yeah. Oh, this is the big puffer jacket. This is a random pickup I found that was relatively cheap. I'll put the amount next to right here and tell you the pricing. But I just found it dope because it's actually a Pokemon puffer. They had pink, black, and baby blue. Think of this as like a North Face crossover. Yeah. See, it has the little puffer. This feels nice. This is supposed to be a large. I thought this was supposed to be super big, dude. When I measured it, yeah. What you think? Yeah, like I said, there's Pikachu, Gengar, Mew, all over. Wrist straps, the jacket. I don't think there's an inside pocket. No. It feels really comfortable. But yeah, this is nice. You can wear that to the snow. Let's pull this one up. That I purchased, so it was 1 through 4. So I'm assuming size 1 was small, size 2 was medium, size large was 3, and extra large was size 4. So let's see if this actually fits. Like the quality of the dust bag they get. They had a navy blue and a gray. Gray is actually my favorite color. So low-key, first try, it fits, but I feel like if I wash this might shrink. So it feels real nice. However, yeah, it's real great fit, but if it washes, I'm afraid it might shrink. So for when you always get an extra size, always measure yourself with a measuring tape, because sometimes you think that's your size, but when you eat good, you might gain a little. So this Crewneck alone costs $60 USD. So it has a small little pocket, has something in the back, the logo, the Thomas Brown logo. But And because it's white, so it's gonna be real hard to like take care of because it's gets real dirty fast. But last but not least, we did get a pair of shoes. Oh yeah, nice. So this is actually the Adidas. What's crazy about this, I never knew Adidas actually, besides Yeezys, came out with reflective pair of shoes. These are supposed to be a 10, in the box it says 10 and a half. They're real casual, so as you can see, it has the boost underneath. Here's the bottom part of it. I'll probably wear these like an everyday shoe, but as you can see, there's hints of reflective. I might wear the box because I probably won't need it, but like there's hints of reflective around the trimming, around here, on the back of the heel, and I'll show you a photo later with the flash on. Yeah, this is actually a dope shoe, man. But yeah, man, here's all the items. So I got 2 jackets, a Crewneck. I'm probably gonna cop the navy blue one on a later date, so stay tuned for that. For those who are waiting on your haul, I hope you get yours. As you may know, it took me, I think, 2 months, and that was like the longest I've ever been. People are still using, what I use is GDEMS. That took me 2 months to get here in the States. If you enjoyed this video, punch that subscribe button, and I'll see you guys next time. Ooh, is that silk? Nah, man, that can't be silk. It looks kind of small. This looks kind of small. This was really expensive, by the way, but I mean, it fits, but it's like, it can't, like, you can't fuck this up. Crazy.